Greetings everyone! In today's video, we will quickly learn how you can get notified when someone accesses your WordPress dashboard. The specified email address will get a notification of something like this. Let's get started. For more WordPress content, please subscribe to our channel and press the bell icon. So to get notified when someone accesses your WP dashboard, we will use some custom codes. We will not be using any plugins. Anyway, so here is the code we are going to use. So here, you can add any email address. The WP access notification will be sent here. However, we recommend using the email from the same domain rather than Gmail or Hotmail. If you do not receive any email, please talk to your host. Anyway, so this will be the subject line of the email. You can change it if you want. This will be the message. You can use any custom message, IP details from where it was accessed, country name, and time and date as per your WordPress settings. So this is one code we need to use. And this code here will grab the IP address and country name. So we will use this code. To do that, we need to log into WordPress. I am already logged into WordPress. Go to Appearance and Theme File Editor and go to Theme Functions. Scroll down and we will be adding our codes here. Copy the code and paste it here. I will change the email where the notification will be sent. I will use the same parent domain email. It's done. Update file. So it's updated. I am actually logged into the email. Let me refresh it. So there are no emails. Now let me log out from WordPress. And again try to log in. So I am logging in with the username demo. So I am in the dashboard. Let me quickly check the email. Refreshing the email. So I have received an email. Here is the subject. Demo user has logged to your WordPress dashboard. And this was the IP, country name, and the date and time when it was logged in. So this is how you can get a notification when someone accesses your WordPress dashboard. Thank you very much.